Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two essentials. You're signed into PSN and your Epic Games account is linked to that PSN ID because Fortnite routes voice through both. Once done, open Ps5 settings and check sound microphone and output device so the headset is selected. This ensures audio is sent and received correctly. Restart your console and router if voice was working before, since lingering network state can block ports. Now launch Fortnite and go straight to audio/chat settings to continue. Once in Fortnite, open settings and go to audio voice chat to match mode to your needs. Open allows anyone in match to speak. Party only keeps it within your group, and setting is vital for who you hear. Make sure your microphone device is selected and raise input volume to about 75 to 90% so Fortnite detects you reliably. Too low means silence to others. If you enabled push-to-talk earlier, disable it now unless you want to hold a button, because that commonly looks like a failure but is intentional. To finish, verify your network and permissions. Confirm NAT type is open or moderate on PS5 because strict NAT can block voice connections. Make sure PS5 system software, Fortnite, and any headset firmware are up to date so protocol mismatches don't break chat. If issues persist, try simple troubleshooting. Test microphone in PS5 party chat to isolate Fortnite, recreate the party in-game, or fully power cycle console and router. If none works, swap headsets to rule out hardware. This single test often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.